guys. Hi guys. Every morning I come here in my garden, just walking around, checking all my plants, and of course I have more uh, string beans coming up to harvest. So every morning I have a little harvest there and then. So it's a good feeling guys. My garden ka sa backyard at ito talagang therapy din. After work I come here and just walk around guys. Look at that guys. Diba ang sarap ng pakiramdam nang mayroon kang mapag-aksayahan after, you know, after a stressful day at work, you come here in your garden. It's very good feeling guys. So pag mag-garden na kayo pag mayroon kahit maliit lang, kahit sa mga tanim nyo lang sa mga pot, okay na yun guys. Thank you for watching. Pag ito, share and like and follow for more.